Hello dear viewers, welcome back to Medchem Companion channel. Today in this session we will discuss Friedel-Crafts acylation. So Friedel-Crafts acylation is also another type of electrophilic substitution reaction which takes place in the presence of Lewis acid. But before discussing Friedel-Crafts acylation in detail, we should find out the end product of this reaction. So this is your benzene ring reacted with the chlorobutane in the presence of AlCl3. So it is an example of Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. So what is the end product? So according to Friedel-Crafts alkylation, this alkyl group substituted to the benzene ring. So we should get a butyl benzene. So I think this butyl benzene is the end product. But actually what happened in reality, along with this butyl benzene, we also get this undesired product. And the important thing is that the yield of this undesired product is just double to the yield of desired product. So why this changes takes place here? So the reason behind this is that this alkyl halide, when reacted with AlCl3, it forms a carbocation. So generally a primary carbocation is formed like this. This is the primary carbon on which this positive charge is present. So this is your primary carbocation. But what happened, this primary carbocation is highly unstable and it's tried to get stabilized. So it shift its positive charge from first carbon to secondary carbon and convert into secondary carbocation. So this secondary carbocation is quite stable as compared to this primary carbocation. So this secondary carbocation attack to this benzene nucleus, that's why we obtained a undesired product with higher yield due to this secondary carbocation. But the question is, what we can do if we want to get this desired product only in excess quantity or in higher yield? If we need only this, we do not want this product to form, only we want to get this product in higher yield, then what we can do? So this product can be obtained if we use, instead of this chlorobutane, if we use an acyl derivative of this chlorobutane, that is butanol chloride. If we use this butanol chloride, then we can get this product via this reaction. What happened in this reaction? So this is actually the butanol chloride which react with the benzene in the presence of AlCl3. So again Friedel-Crafts acylation. So this AlCl3 catalyze this reaction and this butanol group attaches to the benzene nucleus, and after this we do the reduction of this carbonyl carbon. So finally we will get our desired product. This is the same product as it is obtained here. So these are both same. So likewise we can get this desired product only by this mechanism. So what happened in this reaction? What is the mechanism behind this reaction? So we will see the mechanism now. The mechanism of Friedel-Crafts acylation is same as that of Friedel-Crafts alkylation, but here the only difference is that there is a formation of acylium ion. So what happened? This butanol chloride first react with AlCl3, it act as a Lewis acid, so accept a pair of electron from chloride ion and form this intermediate in which chloride gets positive charge because it loses a pair of electron, while AlCl3 get negative charge because it accept a pair of electron. Now in subsequent step, this carbonyl carbon and chloride bond breaks apart this species into this acylium ion, and AlCl4 minus is generated. Now this acylium ion exists in its two resonance stabilized form. Delocalization of this electron takes place in between carbon and oxygen. The acylium ion does not rearrange since there is a resonance stabilization from the oxygen to this carbon. So this acylium ion now attack onto the benzene nucleus and form this butanol benzene, and butanol benzene after reduction with hydrogen and palladium gets converted into butyl benzene. This is our desired product. So in this way this whole mechanism works, and the desired product can be obtained with the help of this acyl reagent. So that's why this is called Friedel-Crafts acylation.